Alright guys, this is State Aware Canada, and what State Aware does is auto-categorize posts by keywords found in the content, which is the post body content and the title of the post. If it finds a keyword of the province of a Canadian province, then it'll auto-categorize the content into that province. And if we have active for city/towns and it finds the keyword of a city related to that province within the content, it'll categorize the content into a city as a subcategory of that province. So let me show you how this works in an example. I'm going to jump into my RSS automation software, BlogSense WP, where I have a Canadian news blog lined up where I'm importing the content into this blog, and I'll show you, it's right here. And so this content will be rich of Canadian province keywords and Canadian city keywords. And I'm going to run the automation. And here's a preview of the automation. So without much formatting, it's going to look something like this when it publishes onto the blog. You can see while this is running that we can enable the auto-categorization to work on custom post types. Like here's a custom post type right here, and here's one right there. So if you're working with custom post types, that'll help you out there. We can categorize old posts. If we do this, it'll go through all the already published posts and look for the keywords and categorize them. We can enable which, this should say province, hold on. We can enable which provinces we want this auto-categorization to work on. Right now we have them all checked for the sake of our example. So let's go ahead and take a look at our example again. Okay, it looks like these things are already published. Let me go into my trash and empty the trash and run the automation again. And I'll go back in here. So yeah, if we only had Alberta and British Columbia selected, then it would only auto-categorize for provinces and cities within these provinces. Cities within these provinces and countries that we've selected. Secret: if only one province is selected, then this State Aware Canada plugin is going to know that you're only building a website that focuses on local content. So instead of searching the content for a dual match of both the province and the city name, it'll only look for city names and automatically categorize any content containing the city name into the say Alberta category in order to improve our auto-categorization capabilities. Okay, so our automation is finished running. We're going to go in here. We're going to load up the post and see if our auto-categorization worked. Okay, so it did. Here's one. This one was categorized into British Columbia and Vancouver, and our automation put it in the general category too. Let's take a look on the inside. Okay, yeah, it's put the categories in the appropriate hierarchy. If the category was not created, it created it. This also works when creating brand new posts automatically, and it also works with the quick edit function right here. So for the most part, that is what this plugin does. It's going to assist with your endeavors. And you can see that out of all the posts that we automatically categorize through the automation we just ran, let's jump to Ottawa. Okay, and it shows the posts that were automatically categorized into Ottawa. So this is supposed to help you with your development efforts. We hope you enjoy. We also have a State Aware for the United Kingdom and the original State Aware developed for the United States. Alright, this is Hudson Atwell. You can find these plugins at Code Canyon. Thank you. Contact me for more information.